Kalyani Vallath, Managing Director, Vallath Education.
Dr. Kalyani Vallath, founder and managing director, Vallath Education, is an edupreneur, editor and teacher. Dr. Kalyani Vallath's educational journey is characterized by her passion for English language and literature, which is reflected in the growth of Vallath Education, founded 28 years ago.
On and off the dais, friends, ladies and gentlemen, I am shocked and disturbed by the speech that we just listened to, and I know it is all true. And with my limited knowledge of Kerala and its economy, and my extensive knowledge of Kerala's and India's education system and the plight of the students and colleges and universities, I think one solution lies, and perhaps it is a very important solution, that is education, where we are not just giving education and creating people with certificates, but we are empowering students to do work, which is not happening now. In many colleges and universities inside and outside Kerala, where I have worked for the past 30 years in different capacities, I have seen that the undergraduate and postgraduate degrees are quite useless because they need, after their degrees, months and years of training, either in coaching centers or on the job. And it is only becoming worse. It is a very dire situation now where I am teaching students, and everywhere teachers are teaching students who do not have basic knowledge, who do not have basic language skills, who cannot do any job properly until they are trained. Why don't we do that training in the universities and colleges? I think the government should seriously look into how we can develop skills, employability skills, life skills in a fun way, in a way that Gen Z can relate to, not in a traditional way, because traditional education is dying out. Nobody even wants to go to colleges now. After 1 or 2 batches of the FY UGP students come out, they are not going for postgraduate degrees. They will even drop off in between the FY UGP or the undergraduate course. They will want to work, but they don't have the capacity to work. The national education policy has made things far worse because students have even less idea now. And if you ask me, being an edupreneur, I think the solution to many of our problems is education, where students will not go back to governments, they will not go back to the system to get jobs, rather they will create jobs. They will give jobs. I think entrepreneurship is the solution, and ethical entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, which starts from colleges itself. Why can't we have entrepreneurship built into our courses so that students are empowered? They don't have to spend years and years and years of their youth writing exams which they don't pass. They are just wasting their lives. And finally, when they go back to the system to get government jobs, they are disappointed because, one, they don't know how to do the job. Secondly, the system does not reward them enough. Because, as Sir said and everybody knows, it's all corruption, it's all exploitation. So I strongly believe in an entrepreneurship-based education system where governments don't have to continuously give jobs, but there will be jobs created and taken care of. Our new government has just come. There are 5 years ahead for them. I have with my knowledge and experience with thousands of students every year, given a proposal to the government, not for me to do, but for somebody to do who is interested, where all these can be carried out. I am the managing director and founder of Vallat. We began 30 years ago with just 6 students sitting in a living room. Today we are a national level company where we have students across India. 10,000s of students have cleared exams because of us. They have got jobs. Wherever I travel in India, I see my students working in colleges. How did it happen? Not because I spent money on marketing, not because I did anything traditional in business, but because I focused on giving solutions to problems. And we had a very collaborative approach where lots of students joined us in this mission. They created products and services, and we have been doing this, and it's like working like magic because it's not me who's doing, it is us. It is a huge movement out there of students and former students and well-wishers. I think this is a great model that we are following, where we are not, I have not even depended on my father who is sitting here for any capital. I have not taken any loan to run my business. It was self-sustaining. And hundreds and thousands of people have benefited from this, this highly collaborative model, rooted in social entrepreneurship, solving problems. This has been going on like an action research project. I have written here some papers typed out, which is my speech on various things about education. I am not going into it because one thing, it's getting late. Secondly, the speech that we just heard reminded me that we should focus on the problems and solutions rather than saying unnecessary things. So without wasting your time, I'll stop my little speech. Let us think of creative solutions which come from education. If any of you are from the educational industry, if you're parents who have students, who have children, if you're teachers who have students, remember, education is not about certificates. It is not about degrees. It is not about fees. It is about projects which students should do alone, collaboratively, creating things. Let them earn money from it and let it develop as a great movement, which I'm already part of. I'm there if you need to know more about this. Thank you.